on behalf of our entire family, I want to thank the Elevate staff and all the clients here, for helping Eric along with this journey. A special thanks to Cassidy. Those phone calls that you made to Karina, very frequently, or sometimes it'd be a few days, and Karina's like, I haven't heard from Cassidy. I said, oh wait, I did earlier today. So, at any rate, it was great. You kept us informed and helped us along the way. We've all heard the expression, it takes a village, right? Well, here, this community, you really exemplify the epitome of what that is. It's tremendous to see the support that everyone has. You work together. It's just truly amazing to watch. As I mentioned, I've been here now on a number of Fridays, and I've witnessed this every time I've visited. And again, the stories and the insight is just tremendous. As a parent, there isn't anything that we wouldn't do for our children, right? But in the case of addiction, many of us just don't have a grasp or the tools or the wherewithal to understand and to help, and we have to reach out. We heard about the Elevate program from some dear friends of ours, and they said it was a life changer. And so far, from what we've seen, what I see from many of you from the weeks that I've been here, it's amazing just to see the transformation. So after, as Eric so eloquently mentioned, after that 1004th blow up, we took the leap. And what started out, as you mentioned, as a 30-day program in Lake Tahoe turned into a 90-day program. And I know you weren't happy when we told you that that's what we committed to, but in the end, hopefully, what you learned will benefit you the rest of your life. I know what we learned here as a family will help us all. It's great. We're very, very grateful to have our handsome, smiling, witty, intelligent young man back in our lives, and I'll stop. I don't want to embarrass you more than I already have. But speaking for everyone that's here, those that couldn't make it, myself, we love you. And we always will. Unconditional love. It's what parents do, right? So, last thing that I'll leave you with, it's said that good things in life are worth fighting for. I'd say yes. This is certainly one of them. So, thank you, everyone.
We believe that you should empower the individual and that we need to show them what went wrong and then give them their power back so that they can tackle addiction as an issue and overcome that.
With your program, how successful are you?
And so we track them all the way through the program and then after the program. And last year we ranked #1 in the entire nation based off of success and overall results.
So if people wanted to get more information, where do they go?
ElevateRehab.org.